I was very fortunate to grow up on Molokai, and I remember having the opportunity to listen to Kumu John Kaimikaua and all his beautiful stories of Molokai. So anyway, when I started my music career, I would make trips to Makakilo, to his house, and go visit him and talk story, and eventually I would be able to sing a couple of his songs and record them on my albums. There's this one song that I really, really love that he wrote in honor of Lani Kaula, taking us to the highest peak on Molokai. And I wanted to dedicate this to all the people that knew Uncle John, and especially his haumana and his family, because if it weren't for him and his ohana, this event wouldn't happen. So mahalo, thank you. So a song he wrote entitled Lei Pua Kukui or Kamakou. Wow.